We're at my homeboy house. My friend right there. Let a damn bird in the garage. Now I asked over to come out the damn. Come on here, help me, damn it.
I'm not coming up there. There's one right there.
Where? Come here, birdie. Son, you got the broom. Get the bird out the damn garage.
You get the broom.
You got the broom. What? Look at this motherfucker. Look at this motherfucker from Compton, y'all. Look. I'm gonna die. How the hell you gonna throw a broom at my motherfucking ass instead of you helping me? I need you to wrangle him out of here. Get out the. Come here. Oh my God. This girl got me fucking. Where the bird at?
He on top over here.
Where?
Up there. See?
No, I don't. Oh, there you go over there. Pretty bird. Wait, maybe you close the door.
Come to your ass doing
Close the door and maybe you go out. Oh, that didn't work. Oh, damn! Push me out. This motherfucker pushed me out the door. Come here, bird. Shit! They gonna slap me.
Stop playing.
You stop playing, nigga. You slammed the door and knocked me the fuck in the garage. Shit.
Hey, get the bird. Come on up.
Shonda, come out here and help me. Shonda, you from Compton. You scared of a fucking bird? Come here, nigga. This motherfucker. There you go. Get the damn. You knock me in the fucking ground and shit slapping the door on me.
It's like you're on top.
I know that. Why the fuck this big ass door? This motherfucker don't want to fly out.
Come on, you're not to make me cry.
I want to catch. It's a pretty bird. Oh, you're on top of the thing again.
That's what I heard when I was out.
Well, you let the motherfucker in here. Why the fuck you close the door until I come close?
Come on,
You stop playing. This motherfucker scared the bird. He won't leave the fucking garage.
damn bird.
I'm trying to get the damn bird. Don't slam this fucking door on me again. Shit, you scary ass. Why the fuck you won't fly out? Oh, stop it, damn it. This big ass scary motherfucker. Girl, you gonna have me die here. Laughing so hard. Just scary. You hold the broom while I hold the door. No, yeah, you hold the broom. Sergeant, I'm telling everybody in Compton, your ass scared bird. Bring your ass out here, help me with this bird. You would have smoked a cigarette, let him in here. So now.
You better go over there.
Okay. Sergeant, come on. What's going on for you? Huh? Okay. Bring your ass outside.
You ain't even trying to get the bird.
Because I'm laughing off your ass. You funny. Oh, where you at? Okay. Birdie. Where you at? Oh, there you go. Watch out.
You keep trying to make it come over this way.
I know. Come over that way. Oh, shit. I'm trying to get the bird out my homeboy's garage, Sandra.
You playing and shit. Come on and get the... Oh!
Well, what you talking about? Oh.
Because he just flew this way.
Close the door. See if he fly out. Let it.
Close the garage door?
Yeah, a little bit. Nope, that didn't work. All right, stop it right there. No. Wait a minute. First, it should be able to stop at a certain point. Hold on, let me see. Come on. Wait a minute. It should stop halfway down. Hold on. Right there. Get right there. See? Fuck, you won't fly out the garage.
Because you ain't trying to make him fly out.
Shonda, we open it closer to the damn door. I ain't the fucking bird catcher. Shit, I'm gonna make him fly
You ain't doing shit. Get the broom and make him go or something.
How? I can't get the broom up there? What the fuck you want me to do with the broom up there?
Go on the other end where he keep going.
Oh, there you go. See a pretty bird? Give him a foot.
See.
Look, oh, he cute little bird. I wish I could catch his ass and take him home and give him to Destiny.
You're alive.
See, I'm keep doing this shit. But he won't fly out this motherfucker. Where'd he go?
Behind you, big dummy.
Behind me where?
Oh, he over here now.
Why do you keep going around in circles in the garage?
Here we go over here.
Oh,
Oh, I'm going out. You did that.
oh. We gotta go down to the store.
We put out. We just put the fuck out.
I'm gonna have to pause this for a minute. All right. Glad to for y'all. We got the bird out the garage. Whew. But my best friend, this chicken from Compton, Thunder, scared of a damn bird.
Shut up, I ain't a bird catcher.
Yeah, scared of, look at it, it's still in the damn house. Anyway, this is Big BA. And we out. That shit ain't funny.